If you like this video and want to see more, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell to be alerted when new videos go live.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll. It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Smokesy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
This human child froze me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. And it grabbed me.
Oh, boo, we gotta get you home. Exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
Almost there,
She'll never find her door now.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.